Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to bend text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Bending or curving text in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your designs. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can simply click the Create a New Design option or select an existing project that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnails because, for one, after recording this video, I'm going to upload a highly engaging thumbnail that we can use in our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. I'm gonna click on it, and from here, I'm gonna upload a photo or an image. Okay, so this is gonna be the file that I'm working with. All right, I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm going to add a text. Maybe this one for now because it looks Halloweenish. I'm gonna make the font around like 50 for now. I'm gonna put in the text. You see that? I'm gonna drag this, and of course I'm gonna change the color to the same color that for our brand. This one. I'm gonna apply some effects like this. All right. So this is how you basically curve or bend the text. There's gonna be an option here that says shape. Click on curve. Very easy, right? Now you see, there is like a measurement for that. All right, so if you click on this, you have an option to resize, and there's gonna be a button on the you see that there's gonna be a semicircular button in the middle. That's the pointer. In that case, you can also hover this to rotate to your preferences and needs. All right, so you have all of these multiple options. You can also, while doing that, you can flip horizontally. This one. You can animate, say for example, rise, pan, fade, blur, pop, succession, breathe, baseline, tumble, tectonic. So there's a lot that you can work with, all right? In terms of the animation or the effects. And the effects of though, again, we can choose echo, glitch, neon, splice, outline, lift, shadow, none. So basically, not only you can curve text or bend text, you can also have the control for the font style, font size, say for example, color, strike hand. Now, I'm gonna return it back to the original form by clicking on the undo if you have created some mistake. This case, I'm gonna put it maybe just around here. I'm gonna maximize all of the image inside our canvas, and I'm gonna put the file here. All right. Now, I'm gonna click on animate. This one, and speed is gonna be a little bit. All right. So let me cancel that, and I'm gonna make sure if the file has been bended correctly. All right. As you can see, curving text in Canva can be both a functional and aesthetic choice, helping to create designs that are visually appealing and organized. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.